Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to submit a ticket in GCash. First, open the GCash app on your phone. Make sure you are logged in to your account. Once you are in the app, look at the bottom right of your screen. Tap on your profile icon. This will open your account menu, where you can see your account details and access different settings. Next, select Help Center from the menu. In the Help Center, you can try to find a solution to your problem. You can browse through the categories to see common issues, or you can use the search bar at the top to type in your concern. If you read the article and it does not solve your problem, you can submit a ticket. Tap on Submit a Ticket. This will open a form where you can send a detailed request to the GCash support team. In the form, enter your full name, your registered mobile number, and your email address. Make sure the email you use is the one registered to your GCash account. Then, write a clear description of your concern. Be as detailed as possible. You can also mention any steps you already tried, and if you have screenshots, keep them ready in case the app allows you to attach them. After filling out all the information, tap the Submit button. The app will generate a ticket number for your request. You will also receive updates about your ticket through email so you can track the progress. Thank you for watching.